It was narrated that Buraida, may Allah be pleased with him, said, I heard the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, say, the Quran will meet its companion on the day of resurrection when his grave is opened for him, in the form of a pale man. It will say to him, do you recognize me? He will say, I do not recognize you. It will say, I am your companion the Quran, who kept you thirsty on hot days and kept you awake at night. Every merchant benefits from his business, and today you will benefit from your good deeds. He will be given dominion in his right hand and eternity in his left, and there will be placed on his head a crown of dignity, and his parents will be clothed with priceless garments the like of which have never been seen in this world. They will say, why have we been clothed with this? It will be said, because your son used to recite Quran. Then it will be said to him, recite and ascend in the degrees of paradise, and he will continue to ascend so long as he recites, either at a fast pace or a slow pace.